Okay, this is Elevating Denver again, and the tornado has returned. Right there. There it is. Anyways, I'm gonna unzoom. That's too shaky. Okay, that's weird. I think the sirens just stopped. But this is really unusual, actually. To see a tornado that looks like that, usually they're straight up and down. Okay, the sirens have stopped. That's just weird. I'm actually eating at the Olive Garden restaurant right now, and it's my parents' anniversary, their 25th anniversary, and this is kind of ruining the dinner. Definitely. There's the sirens again. Anyways, we're just gonna keep watching this, and I'm probably gonna go to the building with the basement. I'm sorry I'm filming this on my phone. I don't have my regular camera with me. Okay, there was some lightning, and let's get to the basement. You know what? We're going to the basement. You know, first we gotta get the others. Okay, let's look at that for a little while longer. It seems to be dispersing a little bit, actually. But anyways, I know of a building with a basement around here that I'm actually going to be going to if that does become a presumable threat. I mean, the sky hasn't turned green yet, so there's not too much going on in that formation yet. I don't know how long the tornado sirens will be going on for again. They've been going on and off all day, not all day, just since we've had the storm, since this afternoon.
Was it touching the ground before?
No, it wasn't touching the ground before.
Oh, I think it's dissipating. Not that I really want it to touch the ground, but...
It's been going back and forth, actually, between dissipating and growing. When I first looked at this, it was just a little, like a nub coming out of the cloud. Now it was growing. And for some reason they shut off the tornado sirens, and then they came back on again. I don't know why they did that, because it was still growing when they shut off the tornado sirens. Anyways, I think it's disappearing, so I'm gonna end this video. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna end this video now, and that's it for now. I may be looking at this later, or I may be coming back being in the basement of the office building over there. So, that's it.